Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use notch filter in Audacity. So for example, we have here this one audio. If you would like to edit it, you need to select this audio by clicking somewhere here. And first let's check what is it. So I will play this audio. It is simple audio for tutorials. Okay, now we can try to add the effect that I was talking about. So we need to go to effect, and after that we need to go to EQ and filters. And after that we need to select here notch filter. Then you can type here a correct frequency. I recommend you to use here 60 value, and on Q I recommend you to type 1. Then we can press apply button to make changes to our audio, so I will do it now. And how you see, the effect is really visible now. If you will click play button, it is simple audio for tutorials. You can see how it works. So if I helped you to use this effect, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and let me know in comment if it solved your problem.